Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about the notification which was published by the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, regarding Indian Economic Service, that is IES examination 2020. And in this video we are going to see in detail about this notification. So before that, do you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and also click the bell button. So now we can go into the video. So this is an official notification released by the UPSC. And here they have given the details. The last day to submit your online application is 1/9/2020, that is September 1, 2020, and this notification is for Indian Economic Service examination. So down they have given the details. First they have given the detail regarding how to apply, and they have given the link. So in that link you have to fill your application through the online mode. And last day to submit your application 1st September 2020, and the dates to withdraw your application, that is from 8/9/2020 to September 8 to September 14. So next here they have given the examination date. The examination starts from 16th October 2020, and down they have given the examination centers in the tabular column. So the vacancies for the year 2020 for this Indian Economic Service according to the UPSC is 15. So 15 is the vacancy. So next you can read the eligibility condition. First they have given the nationality. So next we can see the age limit. The minimum age limit is 21 years and the maximum is 30 years as on 1st August 2020. If you belong to scheduled caste, the relaxation is up to 5 years, that is up to 35 years. Maximum age limit is 35. If you belong to OBC, the relaxation maximum 3 years, that is up to 33 years as on August 1, 2020. And down they have given detail regarding the more relaxation. So kindly read that. So next we can see the minimum education qualification. So to apply for this Indian Economic Service, you should have completed postgraduates, that is PG in Economics, Applied Economics, Business Economics and Econometrics. So kindly read the details. Next, fees. The candidate should have to pay rupees 200, but if you belong to SC, ST or PWD candidates or female candidates, you are exempted from this 200 rupees fee payment. And the last date to pay this fees through online mode, that is debit card or credit card internet banking, is 1/9/2020. And if you are paying through challan, you have to generate your pay slip within 31/8/2020, and then you have to pay within 1st September 2020. So the last date is 1st September 2020. So within that you have to pay your fees. Next here they have given the instruction regarding how to apply, and this is the link. So in this link you have to go and you have to submit your online applications. So next they have given the instructions, kindly read that. And again they have given the last date to submit your application for September 2020, and the date to withdraw your application is from September 8 to September 14. So next they have given the scheme of examination, that is pattern, examination pattern, and the examination will be conducted in two parts. Part 1, that is written examination, which carries 1000 marks, and part 2, that is interview. So in the part 1 there will be 6 subjects: general English, general studies. The maximum marks is 100 for these both subject, and the time allowed for all the subject is 3 hours. And others are general economics 1, general economics 2, general economics 3 and Indian economics. The marks are 200 for each subject, and the duration is 3 hours for all the subjects. Totally 1000 marks. And the question paper will be in English language only, and it is conventional, that is essay type. And they have given the detail regarding the part 2, that is interview. Kindly read that. Next they have given the syllabus. So according to this you have to prepare for the examination. And next in page number 14, after the syllabus they have given the instruction for filling the online application. If you have any doubt regarding the applying, you can read here. So kindly read this in detail before starting your online application. So starting date is 11 August 2020, last date is 4 September 2020. And here they have given the detail regarding the application withdrawing. So kindly read all the instructions, and the link to submit your online application has been given in the description box below this video. So kindly make use of that link to submit your online application. All the best for your exams. Thank you, friends.